Okay, nandito na naman tayo. Nagkaroon kami ng, very interesting conversation ng, isang very, very good friend ko from high school. I'm just waiting for him. Um, I'm just waiting for the link to go through. Wait lang. We were having a conversation sa backstage kasi yung I usually, use Restream or StreamYard kapagka nakikipagkuwentuhan sa mga tropa para mas ano lang, mas maganda yung kuwentuhan. Hindi na yung Facebook na call, kasi minsan masyado mabigat sa device. So, we were having a very interesting discussion. He's, currently in the US, he's a professional and, we'll get his thoughts and, his side of the story. I'm really sorry, biglaan lang 'to. Walang walang ano, walang usap-usap, nagkukuwentuhan lang kami and I just felt that, the conversation is leading into a very, very interesting topic. And, I hope he can,
I'm
uh
here, pare. Can you hear me?
there you go. Open mo na yung video, papi, tuloy na natin 'to, banat.
Paano ba 'to? Walang hiya ka. It seems that I can't figure out kung paano ko palitan yung
May icon siya, settings, may parang gear, and then video input. Click mo lang yung video input, and then may drop down, may lalabas na USB video or,
okey.
whichever you're using.
Sige, thank you
Wait
for
lang.
that.
Yon! Welcome, welcome to the program.
Walang hiya. Ay naku, papi. Been a
Nagkukuwento hindi
while.
kasi pre medyo
Hmm,
medyo ano na, medyo parang, the topic was going someplace na I was thinking of, talking about, especially with you, since how many years ago tayo huling nagkita? Um, what, 25 give or take? Mga
yeah,
gano'n?
mga 20 to 25 yan pare. That's a very
Yeah,
good ano,
20,
good
20.
estimate yan.
Yeah, 20 to 25 years. Last we met, high school, CAT officer siya. He graduated our Cadet Army Reserve Corps. Nakakalimutan hanep! Yeah! So,
Parang
from there,
nangingilabot ako pare. I try to bury that particular point of my life,
wag,
eh.
wag. No, man. No, no. You
Just
should be
kidding.
proud of it. So yun, we moved away, nagpunta na siya sa US. So I'll let him take it from here. I just want you guys, yung mga nanonood, I want you to get to know him as well as I did. And then we'll catch up after high school. Kasi ngayon lang kami uli nagkausap after that 25 years. So, JP, if you can just let us know na what you did after high school. Ano yung course mo ulit from college? I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, pare. I definitely. JP Galido here, guys. So, as Joey mentioned, no, way back, high school pa, no, una tayong nagkakilala, pare, ano. But I think there were a lot of times, and this is more of, I would say, turning point ng mga conversations natin was when we normally see each other sa women's. Natatandaan mo ba yan,
Hmm.
pare? Kita
Oo,
tayo
man.
sa
Oo,
harapan ng
oo.
ano, yung so I always remember this particular instance na kung saan every time tayo nagkikita sa harapan ng women's, there will always be one topic, just one topic that you will bring up and will have like an hours and hours of conversation. And that that's really empowering para sa utak ko, 'di ba? Kasi normally, pag sumusundo ka sa women's, so the reason why nandoon ako, ang reason ko lang naman may sinusundo ako doon sa women's nung time na 'yon, but I'm always glad that I see you there, 'di ba? Kasi that one word, that one topic na kumakati sa utak mo, we always talk about that, right?
Hmm.
So that's it. That's yun yung yun yung isa sa mga gusto ko lang ma 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 ano dito. But pero anyway, not much about me, pero just brief about, about uh, sa I would say napagdaanan from high school hanggang ngayon pare, kasi tagal na natin hindi nakapagkwentuhan, so kailangan kong bigyan sa overview, di ba?
Oo.
So, ah, I think high school pare, after graduating high school, sabi ko nga sa'yo, it's never about the education for me. Nung time na nasa school tayo, it was always about the people that we've interacted with. I'm always glad na we had this opportunity na mag-usap, 'di ba? Kasi I think that really, really formed me, 'di ba? Ang pinakamaganda kasi niyan pare, as we go through life, what happened to me is that, sabi mo kasi course, 'di ba? Yung ako pare, the hardship is the most important thing kaysa doon sa mga kurso na pinagdaanan natin eh. If you remember this time, na pinag-uusapan
Yes,
natin sa time.
sir!
Pare, kasi ganito yan eh, pare. Marami tayong tropa, or for the people who's watching, siguro context, mas maganda kasi may context eh, kaysa again, hindi, I always believe that hindi ito para sa akin eh. It's all about the people or the person that's listening on our conversation, Joey. Pare, ano eh, one of the stigma or one of the key things na lagi nating napapag-usapan is, are we on the right path? Kasi yun yung mahirap eh, 'di ba? Looking back, parang ano eh, parang walang patutunguhan yung buhay natin kung pagbabasihan natin yung template ng mga tao sa paligid natin. Going
Yan,
back,
yan.
'di ba? Going back sa pinag-usapan natin, 'di ba? Parang I think malaking bagay sa Pilipinas lagi, and I love the Philippines, pero ito yung kumukurot sa akin every time na yung piece of paper, yung merit card or yung honor or yung piece of medal na para to just validate that you have something to say. Tandang-tanda ko pare, yung time na kung saan every time na yung nanay ko tatanungin ako, "Matalino ka naman eh, ba't wala kang medal?"
Tangina, oh.
Oo, 'di ba? Parang gano'n, 'di ba? Pero
Badge of honor, putang ina.
oo, 'di ba? And alam ko marami tayong kaklase no na mas matalino sa akin, or may mga, or totoo rin naman na mas marami akong puwedeng sabihin kaysa do'n sa mga kaklase ko. Pero siguro mas importante nung sabi mo nga, 'di ba, CAT, nung gano'n, I really like the military concept eh. Yung lahat kayo pantay-pantay. Pero lahat
Yes.
kayo potential na leader, lahat kayo potential na may puwedeng sabihin. Tapos yung superior niyo nakikinig, totoong nakikinig, 'di ba? Kasi naiintindihan nila yung mentality na, if I don't listen to my, to my team, to my crew, it's life and death. Gustong-gusto ko yung concept
Yes.
na yun eh, 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
A true general, a true leader understands that. Yung compassion, yung love for the team, understanding, listening, 'di ba? Listening yung yung mga gusto mong sabihin. Importante 'yan, 'di ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ano 'yun, a little bit of context about that, 'di ba? Yun nga. So, ako pare, may nagsabi sa akin recently, sabi sa akin, "Pare, kamusta ka na?" Ano 'to, high school friend na tropa. Sabi sa akin, "Pare, kamusta ka na? How are you? It's been a while. I don't see you posting in Facebook," sabi niya sa akin. And sabi ko sa kanya, it's all is well. All is well. Alam mo naman tayo, very private, try uh to just have some things with the family. Pero and the guy was like spitting out this that he has. He has like, a prefix and a suffix in his name. And I was really proud that he's trying to reconnect. But my point here is this, 'di ba? Ang pinakagusto ko laging tanong natin is, are you happy?
Perfect. I love it. I love it.
Yun lang naman pare, yun lang naman siguro yung bottom line eh. What are we? Turning 40? I'm turning 40 this year, 'di ba?
40
I
man,
always
I just turned 40.
oo,
Tangina.
kuya. Pero pare, sa'kin, yun nga, ang pinaka kung meron mang isang tanong or may isang bagay na gusto ko mag-stick sa usapan natin tonight, 'di ba? At this point in your time, kahit whether high school ka or you're 60, 80, tanong mo lang lagi sarili mo, 'di ba? Are you happy where you are? And I think yung isang concept na yon, yung isang tanong na yan, will always, always tickle your brain, 'di ba? Kasi ang tanong, thank you. So, yun yung
Uy,
tanong,
may
'di ba? Na
taga-tip ka
parang,
ng grabe.
oo, pare.
Grabe, grabe.
It's 9 a.m. in the morning here,
Spoiled,
man.
spoiled, spoiled. Ma'am, salamat. Hello.
So, ayan, ayan. Ano pa ba? Ayun, yun, yung are you happy, 'di ba? Kasi pare, if I look back sa mga bagay na na talagang nag-stick sa akin at nag-mold sa atin, and I'm hoping that, whoever will hear this, 'di ba, this message, kapag tinanong nila, gusto ko lagi natin matanong yung sarili natin, eh. When you're choosing a course, when you're choosing the next move in your life, ano siya, 'di ba? Parang, are you happy? Does that, and that's a very proverbial at saka rhetorical question, eh. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Parang, masaya ba ako ngayon? Yeah. Ang daming sagot niyan, 'di ba?
Oo,
Pero
oo.
alam mo yung pinakamagandang sagot na, para sa akin, every time na tinatanong yung, "Are you happy?" is that, are you at peace sa kung anong meron ka?
Contentment ba 'to? Contentment ba 'to?
Actually, laging napupunta ang usapan sa contentment, eh. I'm the type of person that never na hindi mo ako mapapakontento. My wife
Yan,
hates me about that.
yan,
I
yan.
I always I strive to continuously improve, 'di
Perfect.
ba?
Beautiful,
Remember,
beautiful.
there's this one word, and this is like, this would sound, close naman tayo, 'di ba? Pero 'di ba, sabi ko nga sa'yo, 'di ba? Kaizen. Remember that word? Japanese word, 'di ba? Kaizen. Continuous improvement, 'di ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, sa akin ano 'yan, vital 'yan. Vital 'yan sa kasayahan ko.
Mhm,
I
mhm.
will die inside kapag kapag I stop improving, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Parang ano 'yan. Pero I understand and I respect people who just wants to be where they are. Don't get me wrong.
Hmm,
We have friends who, sabihin nila,
yeah.
masaya na ako sa trabaho ko, masaya na ako sa
Oo.
kung anong meron ako, basta kumakain kami 3 beses sa isang araw, masaya na ako.
Hmm.
I respect that,
Oo,
'di
wala
ba?
namang masama dun. Wala
Wala,
namang
walang
nagsasabing
masama.
mali yun, 'di ba?
Wala,
Oo.
wala pare. Exactly, 'di ba? Exactly, exactly, walang masama diyan. And I feel that every time that we go to the next level of question, 'di ba? Are you really, really happy? 'Di ba? Parang ano yung ibig sabihin mo, 'di ba? Kasi may mga tao na overly successful at this age, eh, 'di ba? When I
Oo,
say success,
marami.
we will use that word success, pare. Success,
Mhm, mhm.
the very
Ayan,
loose
I
term.
love
At least kwentuhan tayo.
it.
Ano 'to, kasi may term ng ang success relative sa society na lalo na pagdating sa Pilipinas. Natatandaan ko
Yes.
pare, someone called me out. Pare kasi right off the bat, pagka-graduate ko ng college, nagbebenta ako ng ano, ng credit card at saka stocks
Oo.
market ako pare.
Mm.
Swerte ako, nakabenta ako ng malaking nakabili ako ng PhilTel at saka ng, ano ba pangalan nito, Jollibee. After 2 years, boom,
Boom,
oh,
tapos
'di
ang
ba?
kwento.
Nabenta yung PhilTel, hindi ko alam kung natatandaan mo yung PhilTel pare.
Oo,
Binili siya
merger.
ni MVP sa PLDT, and basically yung pera na meron ako, tinen
Mm,
times niya. 'Pag
exactly,
binata ka
exactly.
pare, anong unang bibilhin mo? Sige nga pare, anong bibilhin mo kapag binata ka tapos ano
Ako,
ka, oo,
ako, instant na pera, let's say mga 2,000,000 at that time, siguro susunugin ko yun kasi I was at a very dark place, eh, nung mga panahon na
Pare
yun.
fist bump, pare. Kaya tayo magkaibigan. Pare sinunog ko rin yung sa'kin pare. Bumili ako na pare ng ano, 2-door na kotse. Nung time na yun, 'di ba? So so yun pare, 'di ba? Sinunog ko yun.
Hmm.
Basically meron akong pera, nakapag-ano where is this heading? My point here is this, 'di ba? Nung time na may nakakakita sa'kin after nung mga high school friends natin, ng mga college friends ko na naka 2-door na kotse, na sports car, na naka-ano, pare ang tawag nila sa'kin, "Oh, pare si JP super successful niyan."
Hindi kasi nga meron kang badge of honor.
Babalik na naman tayo diyan pare, the badge of honor, 'di ba?
Oo.
Exactly pare. And alam mo yun malungkot yun, alam mo kung bakit malungkot yun? Um, prior that, 'di ba, prior nung badge of honor, I feel that I was doing something right with not only with my life but with also the people around me.
Yes.
And I know that a lot of people around me were doing the same thing.
Mm.
Kasi ano eh, after college, 'di ba? Ano ba yung normally ginagawa nating lahat, 'di ba? Ano tayo eh, dalawa lang yung klase ng tao eh. It's either magso-soul searching ka, hinahanap mo pa yung place mo sa world eh. After ng college pare, sabi mo nga kanina, napakabata natin na gumagraduate ng college tapos binibigyan na tayo ng responsibilidad sa shoulders natin to perform. Pare, 'di ba? You were ito pare, ito yung mga makukurot na moments na nakikita ko every time na may napapag-usapan 'to, 'di ba? So, nakapag-graduate ka na. So, sana matulungan mo yung mga magulang mo. Sana, bago ka mag-asawa, maibalik mo man lang yung yung mga bagay na tinulong sa'yo ng mga tao around you, 'di ba? Tapos mga tao, tatanungin ka, "Magkano sweldo mo? Magkano yung kinikita mo? Ano nga ba uli yung kurso mo? Bakit yun yung trabaho mo?" 'Di ba? Pare, these are micro moments,
Mm.
cultural flaws,
Mm.
immaturity, 'di ba?
Yes,
Pare,
sir.
'di ba? It's and I think everyone would agree, kung nakikinig ka, 'di ba? At some point in time, whether na habang nag-aaral ka, what normally happens is that you doubt yourself. Am I magli-lead ba 'to to somewhere, to something na kung saan magko-contribute sa future ng buhay ko? Is this really worth it? Is it really worth it? 'Di ba? Pare okey itong ano mo, app mo, pare sorry, ano, constant transition regardless if it's negative or positive result to gaining new skill set, which will improve your core competencies. Love it. Love it pare. Sino 'to? Si Joseph Edward. Pare, you hit that spot, 'di ba? Ano siya, yun nga 'di ba, constant transition, constant improvement, 'di ba? That's amazing. I think ang tanong is, 'di ba, parang yun nga eh, babalik tayo dun sa definition of success, 'di ba? May mga tao na dinidefine ang success on a certain badge, on a certain material thing, 'di ba? Pero napakakonti nagtatanong about failure, 'di ba? Kasi people tend to dwell on failure and they try to ignore that. Ayaw nila pag-usapan yung failure. Pero
'Ba,
pare,
'di ba?
the reality is, for you to be successful, you need to have so much failure, so much
Mhm,
failure,
mhm,
so much
mhm,
failure
mhm,
na hindi
mhm,
napapag-usapan, 'di ba? And
mhm,
mas importante 'yan. Um,
mhm.
so sige, I will tickle the mind of the people who's listening, 'di ba? Baka kasi iisipin mo, sino ba 'to si JP na nakausap ni Joey at ano yung credentials niya to speak about these things, 'di ba?
Mm.
I hate this. I hate this part of trying to show your badge. Kasi 'di ba hindi nga ako gano'n eh. Pero kailangan natin establish kung ano yung experience, 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
So, establish that, 'di ba? Si JP ako, I grew up in San Andres Bukid. Kung hindi mo alam yung San Andres Bukid, kung may Tondo, may San Andres Bukid, 'di ba? Para siyang Bronx sa New York, 'di ba? Parang may mga ano 'yan, 'di ba? May mga level ng ano
Mhm,
ng
mm.
ano. Ang San Andres Bukid hindi siya mayaman na na lugar. Just to establish, 'di ba? Like sabi ko nga, kung may Tondo, may San Andres Bukid. Lumaki ako na kung saan karamihan ng mga barkada ko nakapag-try mag-drugs at the age na high school pa lang ako, 'di ba? Free flowing ang drugs sa'min from manufacturing to distribution, 'di ba? Malapit ako sa Riles, kita mo yung bahay namin at saka yung Riles, ang alarm clock ko yung busina ng tren. Every day. When I was growing up, tulad ng maraming Pilipino, meron kaming tindahan sa harapan ng bahay namin. To make things meet, make ends meet. Single parent mother ko, and then basically, nasunugan kami nung 6 years old ako. Pare, sabi nila manakawan ka na ng more ng
Oo, yan.
ng paulit-ulit, huwag ka lang masunugan. Kasi
Oo,
ultimo
yes.
brief na butas-butas sa'yo, uubusin niya, 'di ba?
Wala yan.
'Di ba?
Ubos yan, papi, ubos yan, ubos yan.
So,
Hmm,
um, so if you can imagine, life was not easy, 'di ba?
mm,
It was
mm.
not easy when I was growing up. Pero that particular place allowed me to become who I am. Kasi yun nga eh, sa dami ng experiences, 'di ba? Every day you have a constant choice. Tatambay ba ako? Mag-aaral ba ako? Iinom ba ako? Gagawin ko assignment ko. Kikita ba ako ng pera or hindi? 'Di ba? Getting your seal of approval, pare.
Sabi ko sa'yo, eh, dapat
Oo.
i-upload na, eh, kita mo? Oh, banat tuloy mo lang papi.
So so ganyan siya, 'di ba? Ganyan 'yan, 'di ba? 'Yan yung spectrum ng ano, 'di ba? And I always believe that maraming tao na pareho ng istorya ko. Hindi ako special, eh. Kaya nga siguro hindi tayo sikat, eh, 'di ba? Kasi our story is like anybody else's story. What makes us special, 'di ba? What makes us special are the moments that of how we decide on things, 'di ba? The decisions that we make and the connections that we made along the way. Kasi pare, ano ba yung laging tinuturo sa atin kapag Catholic school or sa mga magulang natin? Play it safe, 'di ba? Aral ka mabuti. 'Pag nag-aral ka mabuti, mataas yung grades mo. 'Pag mataas yung grades mo, makakapasok ka sa magandang universidad. Baka makakuha ka pa nga ng scholar, eh. 'Pag naging scholar ka, ta's maka-graduate ka, makakakuha ka ng magandang trabaho. Pare, sabihin mo nga sa akin, how many of your friends took that route and then they will say, "Pare, tama nanay ko o tama tatay ko." I would say, sa'kin, sa circle of friends ko, 5, 10% ba? Sa 5, 100, gano'n. Tapos 'pag tinanong mo sa kanila, sila, "Uy, masaya ka ba?" Again, "Are you happy?" Do'n na nagkakatalo, 'di ba? Do'n na
Oo,
nagkakatalo. I
tama.
remember one of these guys, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga, pare, 'di ba? Dami tayong circle sa friend, 'di ba? By the book 'to, by the book ang buhay.
Hmm,
'Yun yung ano niya.
hmm, hmm,
And itong guy na 'to, pinsan ko 'to, by the way. Pero ano, sabi niya,
hmm.
ano 'to pare, valedictorian, summa cum laude, nung graduate, top 13 sa board. Very, very smart, very intelligent. Pero alam mo yung buhay niya, yung routine niya araw-araw, pare, nagbubunot ng sahig yun. Alam mo yung bunot, 'di ba? Yung pang ano,
Hmm,
pare,
hmm, hmm.
nagbabasa ng libro. Habang habang nanonood kami ng magpipinsan ng TV during summer, pare, nagso-solve siya ng mga math problems. I know na pare 'pag summer sa'kin, puta pare, I'm drunk, I'm I'm enjoying, tangina nagsi-swimming
Good
ako,
times,
nagda-drive pare, 'di
good
ba?
times.
It's And I would like to say, 'di ba, that his economics status is not so different with mine. I have my car. I drive the car that I never even dreamed of having, 'di ba? Never akong pare, 'di ba? Batang San Andres, I'm driving a Tesla. Tayo na pare, eh, hindi badge of honor sa akin ang kotse. Pero whenever people say, "Hoy, putang ina, naka-Tesla ka." What do you do? How much do you earn? Is that even
None of your
relevant?
motherfucker.
Yeah, exactly. It's relevant in our conversation. Will you
Oo,
listen to me more if
tama,
I tell you that, "Hey, pare, naka-Tesla." Pare, isipin mo, I barge in. Tangina pare, I'm JP, naka-Tesla ako. Tangina lame, 'di ba? That's so lame, 'di ba?
oo.
Pare, listen to my stories. Listen to the battles that,
Mm,
that we had.
yeah,
That we had together. Sa akin,
mm.
importante 'yun. Kaya nga siguro sa akin, every time that we need to sit down and talk to people, what is the most important thing? So, let's be personal.
Oo,
Let's forget about your your titles, no?
hmm,
Forget about kung gaano kalaki yung bahay mo or gaano kaganda yung kotse
oo,
mo. Let's talk about your
who you
experiences,
are.
who
Oo,
you are,
let's yeah,
'di ba?
let's find out.
'Di
Oo,
ba? Yan yung essence ng pagiging tao. That's humanity for
yes,
me, 'di ba?
yes,
Anyone by either their first name or love that pare. Pag nandito ka sa Amerika, exactly. Yan yung mga mister, natatanggal yan eh. Alam mo yun? Yung true freedom, yung totoong pag gusto mo maramdaman yung 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 equal ka, labas ka lang ng konti sa Pilipinas. Kung makakarating na bansa niyan, Thailand or mararamdaman mo. Of course, yeah, sa Southeast Asian countries may mga tayo 'di ba? Hardcore tayo pagdating sa yung mga bows and ano yan, sign of respect yan. When I say yung mga Mr. Miss ano kasi yan, pare, kailangan maintindihan natin kung kailan natin ginagamit yon na kung saan
yes.
you don't feel subservient, 'di ba?
Mm,
Parang
mm.
hindi ka below dun sa tao na kinakausap mo.
Yes,
Ano
sir.
siya, 'di ba? Ano siya, may fine line yan, And I always
Social ano bang tawag dun, social courtesy, yun,
yeah,
social
exactly. Okay yung
yun lang
social
ang
courtesy pare. So ano yan,
mm,
for you to be able to attract attention, minsan kailangan gamitin mo yan, the words, the right words, 'di ba?
mm,
But
mm.
what you need to understand is kailan mo siya ginagamit na kung saan you feel inferior. Na feeling mo yung taong kausap mo dahil nakakurbata siya or naka-suit siya, mas mataas na yung ano niya sa buhay.
Exactly, exactly. Yan ang masakit sa kulturang Pilipino, yan ang masakit.
Yan. Pare, ako sabi ko nga pare at sobrang daming kwento, 'di ba? One kwento, 'di ba? When I was in Accenture, puwede ba magbanggit ng mga dito, mga kumpanya?
Oo, walang bawal dito,
Walang bawal,
putang ina
okey
sa
sige.
channel ko walang bawal dito kahit
Okey,
magmura ka
okey.
pa
So wala, hindi
mo.
naman 'to sponsored So ito pare, when I was there, pare alam mo, ang entrepreneurship kasi 'di ba pare, ano yan, innate yan, naniniwala ako. It's either you're made to be entrepreneur or hindi, 'di ba?
Hmm, mm,
I won't claim that I am a great entrepreneur, but I know how to flip money. Let's put it that way. Yung sa
hmm,
Accenture pare, sa akin, parang nagde-deliver ako ng food dun. Alam mo yun, pack food. Gumawa kami ng kumpanya,
hmm,
catering business, gawa ka ng
hmm,
sistema. Hindi ako marunong
hmm.
magluto, wala akong alam, pero alam ko lang may demand. Alam mo yun, yung typical entrepreneur, may demand, alam mo kung saan kumuha
Fill
ng
the
supply,
void,
'di
fill
ba?
the
'Pag
void. Ganun talaga yun, oo.
what's important? What do I mean? Pare, yung ma yung mga guards, yung mga pare, lahat yan may rasyon, free food, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan gawin yan, hindi mo kailangan gawin yan. 'di
Mm,
ba?
mm,
Pero para
mm.
sa'kin pare, hindi ko maaatim sa sarili ko na kung saan, 'di ba, puta, itong mga tao na 'to na kini-cater ko, of course, hindi naman kalakihan din yung sweldo pa nung time na yun kaya nga ano,
Oo,
pero you're giving them, 'di ba? Pero alam
oo,
ko yung
tulong
mga
ka.
nagbabantay sa amin, will never be as the same na sweldo. Economics,
Mm,
basic economics. Pero
mm,
para sa'kin pare, 'di ba, everytime na nag-aabot kami ng rasyon, ng food na ganyan, hmm, ang na ang lagi nating nasasabi ano, is, "Pare, hindi ba puwede na ang pagkain nito ni JP, ni Ian, eh, hindi pa hindi pareho nung nakakain ni Mang Ernie,
ay
yung isang
putang
guard namin, 'di ba?
hindi
Pare,
puwede
'di ba? Kasi
pare-pareho lang yan.
sana, yun yung ideal,
Oo,
yun yung ideal world sa'kin pare, that
mm, mm.
that the food that I eat, yung pinili ko, hindi kasi iba yung pare, iba yung lumalaki ako na pare wala no choice kung ano yung nasa lamesa yun yung
Oo, kung ano
kakainin ko.
meron, eh, oo, tama, tama, oo,
Oo,
tangina.
but
Oo,
but when you come to a point that you have pero puwede ka ng pumili, chicken ba yan, beef ba yan, pork ba yan, o vegetable ba
hmm,
yan?
mm,
Vegan ba yan, halal ba yan? 'Pag
mm,
dumating ka na sa punto na kakapili ka ng kakainin mo, hindi sa isang araw, kundi sa bawat meal na gusto mong kainin, pare, I think you've made it. Sa'kin yun yung barometer, 'di ba? Parang gano'n, 'di
yan,
ba? Ayun,
yan,
ngayon
oo,
pare, may mga tao na hindi pa kayang gawin yon. Ano yung responsibilidad natin? Nating lahat, 'di ba?
yeah, correct.
Don't look down on them. Number one 'yan. Wag mong tingnan, 'di ba?
Hmm,
Pero kung
hmm.
kaya mo naman, dalawa yung bibilhin mo pagkain, 'di
Ano ba
ba?
naman yun, 'di ba? May extra ka,
Dalawa.
eh,
Oh, 'di ibigay mo
oo,
yung isa.
bigay mo.
Sana, yun yung ideal, 'di ba? Of course, 'di
Oo,
ba? Ayun yung ano maganda. One way, another way to make sure that you feel that you are not put people, in a position na kung saan they feel inferior, is
hmm,
that, again, listening to the stories. Babalik ako dun sa ano, 'di ba, sa listening of the stories. Kasi pare, sa sobrang daming kwento na narinig ko sa mga manong guards, 'di ba? Tangina pare, sobrang saya para sa akin every time na may narinig akong mga bagong kwento of ano yung mga na-observe nila, ano yung mga kalokohan, sino
mhm,
yung
hmm.
pumasok sa banyo na couple sa mga tao na alam mo yun? Listen to the stories pare. There are so many stories out there that will make you
Yes,
as a whole person. 'Di ba?
tama,
Parang
tama,
sobrang ganda, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda
oo,
ng mga stories,
sarap.
'di ba?
Ano daw 'to, anong sabi niya? Anong sabi
Fuck
niya?
you ka,
Sorry,
Joey.
sorry. Kamukha mo si Michael Flores na 'pag nag-shades. Sorry, sorry naman. Ano ko talaga yan, grado ng salamin ko yan ever since nung college, yan na talaga ang ano. Actually, what we're doing is we're practically redefining preset words, success, happiness, contentment. Yun nga yung lagi kong sinasabi, that's why in this channel, what I want to do is to open up your mind, open up your perspective about certain things na meron tayong preconceived notion. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying your preconceived notion is wrong, but are you going to allow yourself to be locked in to that preconceived notion? Would you be okay to open up your horizon to brand new meanings that could probably enrich the experience further? Yeah, 'di ba nag-uusap tayo kanina sa backstage. Um, nagsimula lang tayo dun sa punyetang Red Queen paradox na putang inang yan, sakit sa ulo, puta. Tapos we went into, parang a reverie into high school tapos yung stories na nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay, yan. Yung perfect example mo, yung pagiging mabait mo dun sa mga tao sa paligid mo, it gives you a whole new network of people na nakakatulong sa'yo, you're getting lessons from them. Bakit? Kasi they are comfortable to be with you. Hindi sila parang feeling na unease sa'yo 'pag nandiyan ka, "Putang ina kupal yan, 'wag yan, asshole yan." Kasi they found out who you are. You gave them an opportunity to converse with you. Katulad nito, we're conversing, mga tao sa chat box natin, we're conversing, 'di ba? And we're sharing an idea without judgment. Wala kaming pakialam kung graduate ka ba, kung, hindi ka nakatapos. Ako hindi naman ako gumraduate, eh. Pero I can say I'm successful kasi I have beautiful children. Yes, I have failures, but fuck that. I learned from it. Tangina wala man lang akong pera sa bangko, pero I have so many experiences na nakakatulong sa'kin, and I love what we're doing, man. Tangina sabi ko sa'yo i-broadcast natin kaya natatawa ako kanina, eh, fist bump.
Langya ka. Yeah. Pero
So,
I want to
tuloy,
piggyback on
sorry,
that.
I
No,
just
no,
had
no,
to
I want
say
to
that.
piggyback on that. That's a very good point. Pero bago ito pare meron nag-comment. Gustong-gusto ko sinabi niya, eh. Never look up to anyone and never look down to anyone. Gustong-gusto ko 'yan, 'di ba?
Si
Ano
Daddy
'yan,
Jens
eh,
napaka-wise niyan.
yeah, that's a very, very I really like that, 'no. Ano siya, eh, pero mahirap siya, ha. I mean, we're not saints here. I don't want to portray na all kasi we will be judged based on whatever this conversation is, eh, 'di ba? But I want to be very, very clear, 'di ba? Mahirap 'yan. Mahirap talaga 'yan. Yung pa kasi human tayo, eh. Tao lang tayo, 'di ba? Na that 'di ba? Na it will be hypocrisy kung hindi ka ma-intimidate kapag all of a sudden may taong grasa na sumulpot sa harapan mo, 'di ba? Na hindi mo siya i-judge na, "Putang ina, sasaktan ba ako nito?" 'Di ba? But it's a matter of broadening yung horizon mo nga, eh. Understanding na
Mm.
parang, okay, there are taong grasa na minalas lang talaga,
Oo,
homeless
yun.
na minalas lang talaga. They're sane, wala lang silang economics na kaya
Oo, oo,
para
man.
bumili or mag-survive, pero they're they're sane. 'Pag kinausap mo sila,
Um,
putya baka marami
I'll
ka pang matututunan.
I'll share a story about that.
Ano,
Nung, first wife ko, um, may tirahan kami sa San Andres din pre,
mm.
malapit kinila
Ah,
Popoy.
kailan pa ba yun?
So, this was what, parang, let's say around 15 years ago or give or take 15, 19 years ago. Meron akong laging sinusundan dun na ano, kasi siya yung katabi ko lagi dun sa jeepney stop, sasakyan ko papuntang Taft, papuntang ano pala, papuntang Makati, kasi papasok ako nun sa PLDT. Lagi akong dun nag-iintay ng jeep sa Onyx, San Andres corner Onyx yun. So, intay ako ng jeep dun, si tatang laging nandun yun. Maliit na bagay, abutan mo ng tinapay, yung, hindi ko naubos na pagkain sa bahay iniiwan namin dun. Kasi, nakakakwentuhan ko siya, eh, pagka nandun siya magyoyosi ako habang nag-iintay ng jeep, hingi si manong ng yosi, "Abutan mong yosi." Kuwento si kuya, kinuwento niya kaya siya napunta dun sa kalye kasi yung mga anak niya ayaw sa kanya, namatay na yung asawa niya. Wala siyang retirement plan, papi. Hindi naman niya inoobliga yung mga anak niya, hindi naman niya inoobliga, pero naintindihan niya nga na parang magiging pabigat siya dun sa mga anak niya, umalis siya dun sa anak niyang babae kasi nag-aaway yung mag-asawa. "Tatay mo putang ina, ganito, ganyan." 'Di ba? "Bakit ba nandito yung tatay mo sa bahay natin? Wala bang bahay yan?" "Wala, kasi inubos lahat ni tatay yung pera niya para makapag-aral ako." So, umalis siya dun by choice. He chose to stay there dun sa kanto nga, and then it turned out si tatay pala dahil exposure sa, elements, he died, tuberculosis. Pag-uwi ko galing office nung umaga, kasi usually may dala ako talagang breakfast, kasama na si tatang, eh, kasama na si tatang,
Mm.
parang extra na naano si tatang, eh. Ano ba naman yun, putang ina, 'di ba? So, nabalitaan ko na kasi may parang police line na dun. Kasi namatay nga, natagpuang patay. Tinanong ko yung gwardiya nung, Tambunting, kasi sa tapat ng Tambunting yun, sabi, "Namatay si tatang pre." bumigay si tatang, hindi natin alam may tuberculosis na pala si tatang. So yun, parang isa yun dun sa sinasabi mo kanina na parang, yes, we don't owe anything to our parents. Kumbaga parang responsibility nila yan, eh, yun yung tingin, eh, nung mga kabataan ngayon, eh. Actually, one of the reasons why I started this channel was, I went down a rabbit hole sa Reddit. There's a channel there na Off Your Chest Philippines. A lot of the kids right now are complaining. Nandito sila sa posisyon natin. Siguro they're 5 years or 10 years younger than we are. They're working professionals. Parang ang sama-sama ng loob nila na humihingi ng tulong yung magulang nila sa kanila. Parang ang sama-sama ng loob nila na parang ang dating pabigat yung magulang sa kanila. Lalo na ngayon, a lot of parents have lost their jobs because of COVID. Nagsara yung factory, nawalan ng trabaho, nagsara ang kumpanya. And I'm not trying to be preachy, okay? I'm just saying how I feel. Na ano ba naman yung suklian mo lang? It's not an obligation. It's just being human. 'Di ba? At least reciprocate something that was given to you for free. Putang ina mo, sasabihin mo sa akin successful ka ni hindi mo nga matignan yung nanay mo, ni hindi mo man lang nga matulungan yung nanay mo. And then you call yourself success. You call yourself, a pillar of the community. Pukin ng ina mo naman, nakakahiya ka. Dun mo susukatin yun. I won't measure you with that. I won't measure you with your mansions. I won't measure you with your car. I won't measure you with anything else but how you are in your private moments. And these are very private moments, stories that we can never hear. Kasi hindi naman nagsasalita yung mga magulang, umiiyak na lang.
Yes, true.
I'm really sorry. I
No, I
went
love
down.
it. I love it.
Oh, puta, sorry.
Maganda.
Anak,
Pare,
sorry.
ano, nagtanong si Joseph, kung malapit yun sa San Jay Nakbilat Adriatico. Dalawang klase yung San Andres, Paps. San Andres
Oo.
Malate tsaka San Andres Bukid. So doon kami sa ghetto side ng San Andres. Sa Bukid.
Sa likod kami. Ghetto kami, ghetto boys kami niyan, ghetto
Ghetto
boys.
boys.
Uy, sorry, sorry.
Go,
I-highlight
go.
ko lang 'to, si Sir Jezreel Bona, boss namin 'to dati sa Chase. Thank you very much, nanonood ka pala. Ang ganda nung sinabi niya, oh, "If you think you're more important than anyone else at any point in time, you're a piece of shit. I love you."
I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love
Oo,
it, love it.
yun.
Ano
Banat,
siya,
sige, tuloy na natin. Alis na tayo dun sa kalungkutan, Banat.
hindi. Gusto ko lang, again, i-highlight yung sinabi mo, di ba? It all boils down sa one word, compassion, di ba? Ang,
Oo.
and I really think yun yung mag-encapsulate ng buong bagay na minsan nalulus ng society kapag tumataas kasi. Ang economics kasi, di ba? Once you feel, you get, so para sa akin, 3 stages yan, di ba? You're hurting, you're poor, and then you become comfortable, and then all of a sudden you're looking for something bigger than comfortable, 'di ba? Well, 'di ba? Parang ganon. Now, the question is, 'di ba? Pare, where do you develop compassion? Paano kung wala ka? Pwede bang maging compassionate ka pa rin? 'Di ba? O kailangan hintayin mo muna maging komportable muna ako 'pag medyo meron na ako, tsaka ako maging compassionate.
Oo.
O sasabihin mo, "Hindi, de-delay ko na kapag medyo talagang big time na ako, tsaka ako maging compassionate." That's the that's the sad part of it, pare. Ano kasi siya, naniniwala ako exclusive sila, Compassion is in you, 'di ba? Na parang without looking down on people, yung nga maganda yung sinabi niya, 'di ba, ni Jezreel, 'di ba? Parang when do you psychologically, how do you say that, "Hey, you know what? I'm really a compassionate person." Hindi ko siya gina-judge dahil sa ano niya, ano na talaga, nararamdaman ko lang na gusto kong tumulong versus sa, "You know what? Meron naman akong pera, tulungan kita." 'Di ba? Parang ano siya, very fine line, 'di ba? Sa pagiging judgmental sa pagiging compassionate. Now, meron nga bang right answer diyan? I feel that there's a right answer, di ba? Sabi ko nga it always goes beyond doon sa binigay mo act of kindness. Is it a one-time thing?
Mhm,
Or
mhm,
it's something
mhm.
that pag meron ulit ako opportunity, gagawin ko ulit 'to.
Oo, oo.
Nanonood ba kayo pare nung Friends? Tandaan niyo
Yung
Friends?
TV series ba 'to, yung
Oo,
Friends,
TV
yung
series,
Friends?
alam mo yun?
Oo.
Pare there was this very, very good episode. Ang tawag yata nila dito ay sabi niya gano'n, there is no selfless good deed. 'Di ba? It's a comedy show pero nag-insert sila ng isang pinaka itchy na tanong. Is there really a selfless good deed? Kapag ba bumigay ka talaga selfless 'yun, hindi mo iisipin na may babalik sa'yo. Or every time na ginagawa kang kabutihan, you're always expecting that something should go back.
Dapat
I
ba?
think importante 'yan, 'di ba? Importante.
Mhm, mhm, hmm.
I really want, I really want us to keep on, keep on exploring that sa ano natin, 'di ba? Sa mga ano natin, sa mga
Hmm.
conversations kasi again,
Correct.
a lot of people again, going back sa happiness, 'di ba? Ang dali kasi magbigay kapag masaya ka na. Hindi dahil 'pag mayaman ka na or ano. Tanungin mo sarili mo, are you happy? If you're happy right now,
How
pare.
how do you define your happiness? What defines your happiness? What constitutes your happiness? Yun yung mga tanong na minsan kasi we base yung dictionary natin dun sa preset na nakita natin, nung bata tayo we don't, dig deeper. Noon nakikita natin na masaya ka or parang magiging masaya ka kapagka maraming material na bagay, you got all the gadgets, you got all the shit, you got all the girls, you got all the, experience, et cetera, et cetera. So, minsan, that's why I love this opportunity. Kanina pinag-uusapan lang natin procrastination, yun nga. So, I love this opportunity na we can say these things without judgment, without inhibitions. We can give them an opportunity to learn, to advance yung situation nila na in their head, puwede natin silang, "Uy, baka ano, baka gusto mo i-try yung happiness mararamdaman mo din kapagka tumulong ka o kaya 'pag naging mabait ka dun sa asawa mo o kaya kapagka, napangiti mo lang yung isang tao na total stranger." 'Di ba? Yung little things in life, sometimes these are the most profound, experiences of happiness, eh.
Yeah. I'll pick
Minsan,
on your
minsan.
words, I'll pick on your words, pare. I'll pick on your
Sige,
words.
please, please.
So, sa'kin yung word na small things in life, 'di ba? But
Mhm,
it's really
mhm.
big and small, 'di ba? I hate to become philosophical, 'di ba? Pero
Hmm.
I want to hone a point here, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pare, 2 weeks ago, uh, my father-in-law passed, 'di ba?
My
Yung mother
condolences.
ng wife ko, we I grew up without a father. So basically, siya yung isa sa mga father figure na nirerespeto ko and we're very, very close.
Hmm.
But when he passed, 'di ba? Ano siya, he's an engineer for the government, straight, pare. Talagang ano, 'di ba? Parang sabihin mo, papasok ng umaga, uwi, tapos pamilya na kaagad. Routine for more than
Hmm.
40 years or 40 years. Tapos he passed, 'di ba? Sakit, sakit nun, sobrang sakit, 'di ba? Na makita yung isang tao na parang close mo and then all of a sudden wala siya dun, 'di ba? Ngayon pare, ang tanong, 'di ba, what were the moments that really where he impacted the lives of many? Or specific sa'kin, 'di ba? Ngayon ang tanong, small and big things, 'di ba? Yun yung accordion, 'di ba? Sabi na natin, 'di ba? Parang ang tanong, ano ba ibig sabihin ng small at saka ano, napaka-relative niyan, 'di ba? Alam mo sa'kin, ang pinaka lagi kong na-appreciate kasi meron siyang ano, parang siyang Alzheimer's. So,
Hmm. Mm.
through time nagde-degrade na rin talaga yung ano niya, yung memories niya, 'di ba?
Mm,
Pero
mm.
there's always one story that he will repeat every time. Every time nakikita kami, nag-uusap kami sa Zoom, sabi niya, "Oh, JP, kamusta na si Uno? Malaki na ba
Ah,
siya?" Yan.
mm.
Yun lagi niyang inaano yung tinatanong niya yung apo niya, 'di ba?
Hmm, mm, mm.
Binata na ba siya? Yun lang yung lagi niyang ulitin, paulit-ulit-ulit. Alam mo,
Mm, hmm.
at some point, and siguro nangyayari sa inyo 'to, mangyayari rin sa inyo 'to, 'di ba? Kapag isang tanong paulit-ulit na tinatanong sa'yo, paulit-ulit din yung sagot mo,
Hmm,
tama ba?
mm. Hmm,
Kasi you try
minsan.
to either be that conversation efficient or not, right?
Hmm, mm, hmm.
Pero sa totoo lang, kahit may Alzheimer siya, I've tried to change the narrative every time that we speak
Hmm,
together.
oo.
Why? Why you should do that? Why you should take the effort, that small effort, because happiness, yun nga sabi ni Joey, 'di ba? Parang what makes you successful, ano kasi siya eh, yung subtle, yung very, very subtle things, yung very, very specific things. When you tailor things, when you make things resonate for that person, when you try to be in that moment para sa tao, you will make that person happy. Kalimutan mo yung sarili mo in the very, very
Yes.
specific things, in very, very
Ah,
special moments.
hmm.
Be in that moment. Not for yourself, not to ano, but give that. That will change a lot. That will make you a little bit more successful in making connections. It will make you a little bit happier. I guarantee you. I guarantee living in that moment, 'di ba? Tulad niyan, kapag tatalon ka sa ano, 'di ba? Halimbawa parang if you're
Oh,
trying to do something that's really, really new, be in that moment.
mhm. Yes, sir.
Ano
Yes,
siya,
sir.
life-changing 'yan, life-changing experience 'yan. Kasi ngayon with the devices, yung tipong sobrang bilis natin ma-distract, living in the
Hmm,
moment,
mhm.
being in the moment is almost an effort in itself.
Beautiful, beautiful,
I just
beautiful.
wanted to share that.
Yes, sir. Yan yung lagi kong sinasabi na time is relative, the whole experience of life is relative. Technically, it doesn't end or it doesn't start. We're running on a flat circle. Ito yung tail ng now, ito yung tail ng past, nandito ka now, ito yung future, umiikot lang naman yan, eh. The past becomes now, and then now becomes tomorrow, and then et cetera, et cetera. It just goes around, man. So why stick to a fucking single script? You can continuously evolve and change it. Ako kasi I consider yung every life change na ginagawa mo, that's a death. That's taking off yung parang how do you say that? You're mutating, hindi. You're shedding off an old skin. Kasi malaki ka na para dun sa skin na yun, eh. Parang every form of maturity mo, every transformation mo to a better version of yourself, it's because you have outgrown that small space. You have grown larger, 'di ba? Kaya continuously evolve. People in constant transition. Tangina kaya love na love kita, eh.
No, no. It's those are great. That's great. So totoo,
Oh,
yan totoo yan, totoo. We should be. Siguro kasi 'di ba parang ang swerte nga na I hate to say this word pero sa totoo lang, ang swerte ng generation ngayon. Kasi yung information at their disposal na eh. I remember when I needed information about stuff, pare library or tao yung kakausapin mo,
oo,
'di
oo.
ba? 'Di ba? I mean, it's ngayon pare if I wanted to listen or to at least understand a different point of view, pare pumunta ka lang sa Reddit, pumunta ka lang sa ano, may
Hmm,
makukuha ka ng
hmm,
ibang point of view, eh.
meron,
Kasi lahat
yes.
tayo may biases, eh, 'di ba? Lahat tayo may biases, eh, yun yung reality
Mm,
of things, eh. marami tayong
Yun
biases,
nga lang.
marami tayong bagay na parang ano, preconceived na ano, 'di ba? Yung cognitive bias natin sobrang ano, wow, daming ano yan, 'di ba? Pero ang great thing about life right now is
Mhm.
that hindi ang path to happiness, babalik tayo sa topic ng happiness, siguro
Mhm,
ano,
mm.
sabi ko nga, path to
Hmm,
happiness, dapat i-tailor mo sa sarili mo 'yan. Alam mo
yes.
'yun, ita-tailor natin dapat sa sarili natin 'yan. Huwag yung dahil sinabi sa'yo
Hmm,
ni daddy, ni mommy, ni
hmm,
kuya, ni tita, or ito yung expectation ng teacher mo nung high school o nung college, 'di ba? Ano siya,
mm.
eh, it's it's a very sad narrative if you look again, ano siya, eh,
Hmm,
para sa'kin malungkot 'yun yung narrative na 'yun, 'di ba? If someone asks you, "Why are you doing what you're doing right now? Why are
hmm,
you doing what you're doing right now?"
yes.
Tapos ang sagot mo, "Kasi sinabi sa'kin ni Erpat 'yan, eh, or
Oh,
ni Sir."
yun.
Pare, look,
Ah,
take a moment, take a pause, 'di ba?
hmm,
Isipin mo 'yun, pag-isipan mo 'yun.
hmm,
Why are you doing what you're doing right now? Gusto lalo sa mga makikinig or nakikinig nito, 'di ba?
oo, oo.
Are you crafting your own story, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Every day, are you crafting your story?
What story are you writing? What story
Exactly,
are you writing?
exactly, 'di
Ah,
ba?
yan. Yan yung mga sabi nga ni sabi nga ni JV, kaya mindset ko pogi ako kahit sabi ng karamihan cute lang ako.
Love that pare,
Hindi, yung
tayo.
ano nga kasi yun yung parang natutunan ko through yung living life na everyone has their own opportunity to rewrite their history. Wag mong burahin yung nakaraan. Be proud of that. Whatever fucked up shit you've done, own it. Own it. Kasi that would for me, it would be a badge of honor. I went beyond this. Dati ito ako, eh, and look at me now. Or better yet, wag mo na ngang sabihin, eh, na ganito ako dati. Let them see that. "Oh, huli ko nakasalubong 'to, putang inang 'to, ano 'to, eh, holdupper 'to, eh." Eh, ngayon may-ari ka na ng Fortune 500 company, 'di ba? So, siguro yung mga gano'n, kahit na increments, kahit na slow changes in life, I think that will be a bigger badge of honor than having, let's say, a card that says Uno, Dean's Lister, 'di ba? Parang, yeah, I think that would be a far more empowering badge of honor, life experiences, responsibility, not procrastinating. Kaya iintayin ko yung channel mo, buksan mo na 'yan.
Fascinating. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, totoo, totoo,
Ah,
totoo, totoo. Ano,
hmm,
alam mo pare, siguro talagang ano siya, eh, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga, eh, 'di ba parang, um, yung every time na may mga hardship sa buhay, siguro I would like to draw a contrast here, 'di ba? Kasi habang sinasabi mo nga, yung constant transition natin, 'di ba? To become I don't like using the word better person or better human, but I would like to contextualize it in such a manner that as we grow, as we mature as a human being, 'di ba? Ano siya, eh, you have to realize and siguro ganito, let me step back. Let me step back. Let me give you guys, everyone who's talking, who will be listening this, 'di ba? Kasi isa sa mga pinakaimportante na tingin ko iniisip ng maraming tao is you're important. Tangina importante ako. Sa totoo lang, you're not important. You're not even relevant in this universe. And let me give you the math around it. Okay? You know, there's not only one universe, there's a lot of universe. 'Di ba? There's one. You're just one person in this what, 90 billion? Ilan na ba tayo ngayon sa mundo? 9 billion?
parang gano'n na yata, oo,
Yeah,
nine
yeah.
billion currently.
Alam mo ba kung gaano kalaki ang billion compare sa million? wag mo na isipin 9 billion or 10 billion. Isipin mo lang yung 1 out of 1 billion, 'di ba? Kumbaga, pag niligay kita sa China or niligay kita sa India, you're irrelevant na. Alam mo kung bakit? May isang tao na gumawa ng experiment kung gaano karami ang pera ni Jeff Bezos. I don't know whether you guys saw that, 'di ba? Ginawa niya,
Hmm.
kumuha siya ng bigas. Sabi niya, bawat isang bigas, ang budel ng bigas is $100,000. Yung equivalent. So, ano yung 1 million ng isang bigas? Ibig sabihin, 10 bigas, 1 million. Tama ba? Ngayon, kinontrast niya sa 1 billion. You know what it looks like? This, yung 1 billion sa 1 million? It was a heaping mountain of rice. Isipin mo yun, ha? 10 bigas, 1 million. Nung sinabi niya na 1 billion na, all of a sudden, it's a heaping. Ngayon, balikan natin yung 1 unit. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung isang butil ng bigas is just 100,000. Ikaw, spectacle ka lang ng mundo, ng earth.
A grain of sand, ladies and gentlemen. That's what you are.
Just a grain of sand in the universe. When you always think that you're an impostor or you're doing not the right things in your life, you have to understand. Ang conscious ka lang sa first 100 na nakatingin sa iyo. Akala mo kasi they are relevant.
Looking at you.
They don't fucking it's your life, your rules. Diba?
Yes, exactly.
Ano yung operating model? Diba? At least yung operating model that I would like people to understand, diba? As long as you don't break the laws, you're fine. Bend the rules as much as you can. As much as you can, bend the rules. Diba? Toe the line.
Oo.
Diba? As long as hindi ka nag-aano. Kasi alam mo kung bakit ayaw mo lang mag-break ng law? Kasi maano ka, incarcerate ka eh. Ayaw mo nun. Ayaw mo mawala eh. Mawala eh, diba? Or makulong sa isang ano. But, okay, if you can, and I beg this, diba? For you to find happiness and for you to live a really, really good life, forget about this preconceived notion na I'm important. I can make a difference in, no. If you want to make a difference in the world, go for it. If you want to impact 1 million lives, go for it. If you can do it for 1 billion lives, go for it. But if you can only impact your life, okay ka na dun.
Solid
Baguhin mo
yun.
muna yung sarili mo.
Yun eh. Ikaw muna. Ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka mag-aspire sa ibang, siguro sa higher na tawag dito, impact. Kasi ako for me, what I've seen so far, people who really make a difference don't even look at the world at large. Tinitignan nila internally. They focus on, hindi sila selfish. They're more of looking at like who they are, where they are now. What can I do to make my position or myself better, my existence better? And through that, kasi nagre-radiate sila nung change and people gravitate to that. Diba? We all gravitate to people who are making continuously better versions of themselves. Kasi parang nakikita natin, I have that opportunity as well. Kaso minsan nagkakamali, nagfo-focus sila masyado dun sa taong tinitingala nila, hindi sila tumitingin sa sarili nila. Kaya ako, what I always tell people is, look at yourself in the mirror, sit down, have a conversation. What can we do better today? Even the little things.
It's a good exercise.
Kaya
It's
ako,
a very, very good exercise.
kaya putang ina nung nakilala ko si Jordan Peterson, sabi ko, tang ina mo sana nun pa nagkakilala tayo nung college pa ako, king ina mo ka.
JB, yeah, JB. That's a great author. That's a great author. Ano siya pare? Siguro piggyback ako. Tapos balik ka lang ako, 'di ba? Babalik na tayo. Siguro hone in tayo uli ako sa happiness. Tapos siguro gusto kong mag-piggyback to sa sinabi mo na tipong ano siya, 'di ba? Parang start with yourself, 'di ba? At kung paano ka nag-influence ng tao. Siguro kontrastanto lang ulit, 'di ba? Sabi ko, 'di
Hmm,
ba, swerte ng mga millennials kasi yung information right in front of their face already.
yeah,
Pero ang
yeah.
malas din nila, eh, alam mo kung bakit? Hindi nila alam kung papaano mag-manage ng time, eh. Hindi nila alam kung papaano gamitin yung time na binigay sa kanila, 'di ba? Ang daming nagpo-procrastinate, ang daming nag-aano distracted. Alam mo yun?
Pakiulit nga yun, procrastinate, pakiulit nga yun.
Nagbu-boomerang sa'kin. But always 'di ba, parang yun yung downside 'di ba? Yung not being cautious na parang may oras, eh, 'di ba? May oras ka na binigay sa'yo, you have all the information, may
Mm,
oras ka right now to do the right things. Pero ang tanong, ginagamit mo ba ng tama? Kasi siguro ano siya, eh, double-edged sword, eh, yung technology, 'di ba? Kasi
lagi,
the reality is 'di ba, parang what is the responsible way of using your time, 'di ba? Ang dami, eh, 'di ba? And ano yung pinakaimportante, I will tie this back do sa ano, do sa pagiging importante mo ba sa universe.
mm.
Ang marami dito nag-a-accelerate, eh, gusto nila pabilisin yung bagay. Gusto ko sumikat kaagad ako without putting in the work. Imagine these people, these college students na nasa ano, 'di ba, na nakikita ko, pucha, gusto kong maging TikTok superstar or YouTube star. Pero they don't put in the work. They don't know how to put in the work. After what? 5, 6, 7 tries, attempt, they will say, this is not for me, 'di ba? Or basically
Sino ka
nagtrabaho lang
naman?
na hmm?
Sino ka ng konti, maraming tatamaan yan pagka kumalat 'to.
I don't know. Just, kumakwentuhan lang naman tayo, 'di ba? Kasi isipin mo pare, 'di ba? Isipin mo, ang daming batang ganyan, 'di ba? Parang sabi ko, whenever I hear people complaining na parang, "Tana, I want," parang there was this an article sa Pilipinas yata, naging controversial 'tong person na 'to kasi yung HR ng isang company said na parang hindi ka namin i-hire kahit na magaling ka kasi you're asking for too much. And the money that she's asking or he's asking is 100,000 pesos yata per month. Eh, pero college student lang siya. And people had various opinion, 'di ba? Sabi nila, masyado
Mm.
malaki hinihingi mo or or you deserve it kasi galing ka dito sa top 3 university, whatever. Ang point ko is this, 'di ba? Parang ang point ko nung nakita ko 'tong article na 'to, what did I say? How did I process that? Parang sabi ko, "Good for you. You know your worth." At least in monetary, sige, good for you. You know what you want and you know what you think you deserve, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Pero contrast din natin do'n sa reality of things. Economically, kaya ka bang bayaran ng kumpanya?
True,
Pangalawa,
correct.
hmm, for you to be an expert, there are 4 E's. 4 E's, 'di ba? For you to be an expert. Education, experience, exposure, 'di ba? Bago ka maging expert, 'di ba? Ulitin ko, 'di ba? Education, exposure, experience bago ka maging expert.
Mhm,
Baka
mhm,
you might be the most intelligent, educated person pagdating sa field mo, 'di ba? Kasi
mhm,
kung kung 5 years talaga nag-aral ka do sa ano mo, tapos yung ano, sige bigay ko
mhm,
sa 'yan. Bigyan kita
hmm,
ng 10 stars kung gusto mo pa.
hmm. Sige,
Pero
hmm,
there are other people who have taken their time, honed their craft, really go in-depth para magkaroon sila ng exposure and experience na kung saan hindi
yes.
mo makukuha sa
Uh-huh,
sa confines ng
uh-huh.
classroom o confines ng university.
Shortcuts, shortcuts. There are no shortcuts in life, motherfucker. You have to put your time. You have to do the time, motherfucker. Yun yung sinasabi ko. 'Yan totoo 'yan. Actually, natawa ako nung nakita ko yung article na 'yan. You have the audacity to put a specific monetary value to your inexperience. And it just clearly shows that your knowledge may be based on an skewed point of view, too much validation maybe. You're living in an unrealistic perception of the realities of life. ibalik lang natin dun sa expertise. Tangina, it takes 10,000 hours to be proficient at one thing. Ilang taon ng 10,000 hour? You would consider yourself as a expert? 100,000 ang sahod mo, entry level ka pa lang, 'di ba? 'Di ba? You have the audacity to ask for that amount? Bakit? Kasi graduate ka ng itong eskwelahan na 'to, itong eskwelahan na 'yan? Do you think geniuses did not put in the time to become who they are? 'Di ba? Jeff Bezos, do you think he didn't put the time in? Um, Elon Musk, did he just skip the fucking rungs on the ladder? I don't think so. I don't think so. They all put in the time, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Oh.
Yeah.
Some of them
And
bent
again,
the
pare,
rules, 'di ba?
ako, sorry to butt in here. Sabi ko nga
Sige,
pare,
sige, go.
ako, 'di ba pare? Sabi ko nga, it's a buyer and seller market. Wala akong
Mhm.
pakialam pare kasi kapitalista ang mentality ko, 'di ba? I'm a very
Hmm.
capitalist mentality. Sa totoo lang, 'di ba? It's a buyer and seller market. Pare kung kung may bibili nung binibenta mo, yes,
Hmm.
that's fine.
Why not?
Is
Oo.
That's a freedom. That's your freedom. Kaya nga, 'di ba, yun yung tenant, 'di ba? The tenant
Hmm.
is you are free to say what you want and ask for what you want. Yan yung malaking
Mhm.
differentiator. Kung
Hmm.
kung gusto mong lumigaya ang iyong buhay, 'di ba? You should ask.
Tama.
'Di ba?
Hmm. Hmm.
Para magbabasa lang ako ng mga comments kasi gusto ko yung mga sinasabi ng iba, 'di ba?
Hmm.
In the
Hmm.
microcosm, we are all nothing but as imperfect, conscious, sentient being, we all special in some ways. I love that. Totoo 'yan. That's a very, very true statement. You are special, 'di ba? Kung basahin mo yung Desiderata. If you're not familiar with Desiderata,
Alat,
please read that.
kabisado mo
That's
pa ba?
the best. Ha?
Kabisado mo pa ba?
Hindi na. But please, post mo na lang yung Desiderata kung mahanap mo,
Oo.
'di ba? Or lagay mo 'yun.
Hindi, mamaya
Number 1.
yun ang closing ano ko, yun ang closing poetry natin. Kasi impromptu usually kasi 'pag
Oo.
nagsa-start ako ng program, I read, a piece of something,
Mm.
one piece of poetry or whatever. Sige mamaya. Banat, tuloy mo,
Yan.
hahanapin ko na.
So yun yung yun yung kay Clark, 'no? Tapos gusto ko yung sinabi ni Joseph, 'di ba? You will be exasperated if you're trying to be a better person for others. Do it for yourself and your immediate family, loved ones. Pa
Amen.
Pare, I
Amen.
mean, I think we all agree. Tama ka diyan. Kasi again, let's go back to the tenet of life, 'di ba? As much as you want to feel important, even na araw-araw sinasabi sa'yo na ikaw yung pinaka-cute, pinaka-pogi, sabi mo nga Joseph, 'di ba pare? Kahit pare, we are the best judge of ourselves. We are the best pilot of our lives,
Yes,
'di
sir.
ba?
Sir.
Yes, there are so many distractions, there are so many things that goes on around us. But the most
Mm.
important thing is that we strive to live the life that we choose. The life that we choose. It's the life that we have chosen. Hindi siya bagay na parang, kasi sinabi ng isang tao. Di ba? So, I know that these are great inputs, and I really really appreciate you guys, providing these. Tapos, ano ba? Siguro pare ang ano ko, yung pinaka gusto ko lang siguro na mabalik kay JB, 'di ba? Yung kay Jordan Peterson. 'Di ba? Tama ba si Jordan
Jordan
Peterson?
B.
Yung author,
Peterson.
you're talking about the Canadian
Jordan B.
author, if I remember, 'di ba?
Oo.
The guy is one of those people that advocates, yung continuous improvement, eh, if I remember him correctly, Papi. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yan.
Yes, sir.
So,
Self-authoring.
yeah, I think one of his books, um yung Rules of Life, yung 12 the antidote for something. Ano yan? Yan ba yun? Yeah, the 12 rules for life, the antidote for something. Nakalimutan ko yan, 'di ba? Pare. 'Di ba? Parang it's been a while since nabasa ko yan, eh. Tagal ko na bago nabasa yan, 'di ba? So, but what I really like about what he advocates for, and for the people who's no, na hindi nakabasa ng libro, 'di ba? Yan, yung libro na yan, 12 Rules for Life, 'di ba? Siguro pare, ang pinaka talagang nag-resonate sa akin every time na parang yung concept na parang yung struggles, ewan ko kung anong chapter yun eh, parang he talks about the struggles, 'di ba? Yung parang struggles are like the jump off point, 'di ba? Para
Sure.
maging better person ka. Kaya siguro sa akin laging clear yung contrast eh. Whenever
Mm.
you are becoming comfortable,
Mhm.
always go back to the struggles na meron ka.
Yes.
Tandaan yun, 'di ba? Parang yung happiness kasi, ano siya eh, contained siya. Based lang doon sa small sliver of things eh. Pero kung may contrasting ka, halimbawa,
Mhm. Mhm.
kumakain ka ng Jollibee, Chicken Joy, 'di ba? For some
Yes.
people, simple lang ang Chicken Joy. Pero tangina, it's what? Ewan ko magkakano na Chicken Joy, 'di ba? Pero
Mm.
Chicken Joy. Pero if you can draw a contrast tungkol sa, alam mo, dati, um, para makakain ako ng Jollibee, it will take me 1 week na hindi ako kakain ng lunch.
Mhm.
Titipirin
Mhm.
ko yung lunch money ko para pagdating ng weekend makakain ako ng Chicken Joy meal.
Yes,
Draw that
sir.
contrast, 'di ba?
Mm. Mm.
Ibang-iba, ipa-process ng brain mo yung one piece of chicken.
Ah,
Ibang-iba yung habang kinakain mo yun, ma-appreciate mo yung life much better.
may deeper appreciation ka sa mga bagay-bagay.
Exactly. Kasi I think that's where true happiness is really drawn eh, 'di ba? Yung tipong kailan 'pag hindi ka na masaya, so meron ka, tapos hindi ka rin makapag-move forward, for some reason, kasi
Mhm.
hindi naman you're not perfect. Yun yung siguro maganda kay Jordan Peterson, 'di ba? You're not perfect, you're a human
Mm.
being. You should be striving to it's a journey and it's an effort. There's a required effort to do that, 'di ba? Pero kapag wala kang mahuhugutan, tingin ka lang sa paligid mo, 'di ba?
Mhm.
What are the things
Yes.
that you have right now that you never had before and
Mhm.
contrast it, whether it's a cell
Aha.
phone, 'di ba? Whether it's isipin mo, what allowed you to be in that moment, in that particular thing? Ako sa akin, laging, 'di ba, pagkain. I would always associate sa food, 'di ba? Parang, tangina, 'yan, alcohol, 'di ba? Isipin mo, you are holding a very, very expensive liquor, spirit, na what, 20 years ago, you couldn't even imagine that you can afford,
Yes, man. Yes.
'di ba? Yung gin
Mm.
bulag nga lang tayo dati,
Hmm,
'di ba?
totoo.
Ha?
Hmm.
Ambagan pa 'yun,
Tangina.
'di
Oo,
ba?
ambagan pa yun, 'di ba?
'Di ba?
Tapos I
Ngayon,
made it a point nung naka-experience ako ng ganyan, I made it a point that I could afford it, 'di ba? Oo, 'di ba? Oo.
absolutely,
Yung ano
absolutely.
pala, yung sinasabi mo na rule ni Jordan Peterson,
Mm.
dun sa mga hindi pa nakakabasa, that's rule number 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Yun yung rule number 4. Galing, 'di ba?
Love that. Thanks for that, 'di
Oo,
ba?
man. Oo.
Kasi exactly. Joseph, salamat pare for hopping on.
Oo, salamat papi,
Actually,
oo, salamat.
hindi ko nga alam na magkakaroon ng ganito conversation, pero pare, always nice. Ang ganda, maganda lagi may katambayan eh, 'di ba? Kasi
Mhm.
nag-survive naman kami ni Joey na kwentuhan kanina. Langyari.
Sayang kasi, iniisip ko kasi, kung
Mm,
hindi ko ibo-broadcast, mahirap i-pick up yung pieces nung conversation pagka binalikan na lang natin. Ang
mm.
hirap, eh, kaya gusto ko at least nandiyan na, na-record na, okey na yun, masaya na ako dun.
That's okay. That's amazing, that's amazing. But,
Hmm.
Joseph, thank you pare ha. I mean, nice
Thank you
meeting you as
very much
well.
papi. Oo.
So siguro 'di ba pare, I don't want to drag the conversation too much too long. But because siguro kung kung talagang may message. There's one message that we'd like people to pick up from this conversation is that finding their happiness, 'di ba? Yung happiness kasi pare, ano eh, very personal siya eh. Very, very
Mhm,
personal siya.
mhm.
Um, ang dami nating kaibigan, ang dami nating tao. That's with the COVID, with everything that's happening around us.
Oo,
It's so easy to become lost and say that you're not happy.
yes.
With COVID, with all this quarantine, with all the deaths that's happening, hindi ko alam. And I would
Ah,
like to, I would like to say my condolence and prayers to sa mga tao na kung saan naapektuhan ng COVID. Whether you had a loved one na nagkasakit, mga loved ones na nag-pass away, na biktima, or even friends, di ba? Na this is a very, very tough time for everyone.
very
And
tough.
madaling masabi na madaling mag-complain. We will be complaining a lot. I've been complaining a lot, di ba? Kasi I want to do things, but we are limited. However, let us not forget that there's hope, that happiness is something that we can control. Diba? Hope might be something that's very abstract right now. Will this ever end? Are we going even back to normal? When are we going back to normal? These are the questions that will be pressing everyone's mind, diba? Diba? When can I go back to work? When I can earn that money? When I can travel? Daming tanong, diba? And these are the same things that will make us feel that life is not the way that we wanted it to be, that this is not the life that you designed. Want you to I want everyone probably to step back and then say, you know what, life is not that bad.
Mhm,
It's
mhm,
not perfect.
mhm,
It will never be perfect,
mhm,
but
mhm.
happiness is something that you can control. We
Yes.
can all find happiness by
Uh-huh.
just, sabi mo nga pare, by just letting the dogs out, being in one room, talking to yourself,
Mhm,
it could be a form of meditation. 'Di ba? We
mhm.
all meditate in our own way. Whether
Yeah.
you believe in a higher being or not, whether you draw it internally, or you're the person, the type that sees happiness by talking with others. I want you to find that happiness. I want everyone to be able to ask themselves, are you happy right now? And if not, can you ask yourself, what are the things that you can be grateful of? What are the things that you are grateful for that you didn't have a day, you know, the other day or even 10 years ago? Ask, your, ask yourself that. And then as we try to go through this pandemic, as we go through the eccentricities and the hardships of life,
Mhm.
be in that moment. Be in the moment. If it's time to be sad, if it's time to mourn, please mourn. Don't push it
Mhm.
away. No, puta,
Yes.
kung kailangan mo talaga mag-mourn, mourn in the way
Hmm,
that you can mourn. If you
yeah.
are happy, if you can have the chance to be happy in a particular day, putang, be happy. 'Di ba? Do the
Yes,
things
sir.
that will make you,
Please.
'di ba? Kasi there's no guarantee in terms of the future. There's no guarantee that you will be waking up the next day. There's no even guarantee that you will be living in the next minute or so. 'Di ba? Walang
Uh-huh,
guarantee.
uh-huh. Exactly, exactly.
But so, yun siguro yung pinakaano, 'di ba? Kasi happiness is a very abstract thing. Now, people are define it like, 'di ba? Parang, oh,
Kanya-kanya
these are the
talaga yan.
signs of happiness, pero abstract yan. Parang love yan eh. Nobody can define it.
Hmm, mm, hmm.
So, yun. So, yun lang. Yun yung message I would like everyone, I would like to
Yeah,
share siguro, di ba? Parang, kasi nga,
thank
di ba,
you.
parang it is, everything that we've done so far in life, I think it's never about success. It's never about the economics. It's never about the wealth that you have accumulated. It's
Mhm.
about asking the same question over and over again.
Redefine
Are you
happiness.
happy?
Amen. Thank you. Tangina, oh, sabi sa'yo, eh, 'di ba? Oh, kita mo? Oh, ngayon,
Tapos,
um, eto na yung request mo. mapapagalitan tayo rito dahil hindi natin kabisado, tangina yari tayo dito. Sorry sa lahat ng mga officers namin nung araw, sorry. Siyempre tumanda na kami I never forgot it pero I can't get it off at, parang hindi ko na siya mai-ano sa from the top of my head. I'll have to read it. This is a beautiful parang guiding principle in life. Ang memorized ko pre yung Invictus, yun I can recite it from the top of my head. Pero ito talaga I never could. This is by Max Ernman, sorry, 1927, Desiderata. Go placidly amidst the noise and haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence. As far as possible, without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others. Even to the dull and the ignorant, they too have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexations to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter. For always, there will be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career, however humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortunes of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the world is full of trickery. But let this not blind you to what virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals, and everywhere life is full of heroism. Be yourself, especially. Do not feign affection, neither be cynical about love. For in the face of all aridity and disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass. Take kindly the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering the things of the youth. Nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune, but do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. Many fears are born of fatigue and loneliness. Be beyond a wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and the stars. You have the right to be here. And whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should. Therefore, be at peace with God. Whatever you conceive Him to be, and whatever your labors and aspiration in the noisy confusion of life, keep peace in your soul with all its sham, drudgery, and broken dreams. It is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful. Strive to be happy. Tang ina, di ba? Yes.
Thank
Pre,
you for reading. Thank you for reading that, pare. That's a very, yeah, that's yeah, sabi ko nga, this is a very, very beautiful poem, pare. 1927 pa, pero very, very applicable kahit anong generation, I think.
timeless, papi.
Yes,
Timeless.
pare.
Again, I really appreciate your time. I'm so sorry I took your time. Day off mo ngayon. It's an hour and 29 after. Tangina, sorry pre, putang ina, sorry. Pero it's a beautiful experience to catch up. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to hear your story, share your wisdom to us. And may anim pang nanonood sa atin. Thank you very much for staying here, for listening to us, the ramblings of madmen.
Amen, amen.
Thank you very much. And please, if ever you do decide to start your channel, finally, when you finally decide, please let me know. I'll share your channel and thank you very, very much. man. I really appreciate it. Please extend my apologies to your wife for taking your time.
No
Thank you. Thank
apologies. No apologies. First of all, I'd like to thank you, pare. Thank you. Great job in this channel. As I said, I really feel that
you.
you have you inspired me to to not procrastinate. I've been procrastinating, right? In terms of doing something that, but I think most importantly, it's I think the message and the episodes has been very very enlightening. I really hope that people would understand that this type of discussions are happening on the ground. I think maraming magsasabi na I hope marami maka-relate, 'di ba? Kasi
Sana, sana, sana.
dalawa lang naman na content, 'di ba? Whether you learn or you feel something, 'di ba?
Yes. Mm.
Unfortunately, karamihan sa mga bagay-bagay na naririnig natin or nakikita natin are the extremes pagdating sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? There are very, very limited people who create this type of content wherein very bare, very real. It's not about the sensations. It's never about about the things that, yeah, 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 exactly, 'di ba? Yung mga ganyan, 'di ba? At marami tayo. I think I always have the glimmer of there's a glimmer of hope na these type of conversations will be more and more heard, I would say. Kasi ito parang ano, 'di ba? As we grow and become as we learn more about life, I think this is the most important thing. We share these experiences kasi people will either be able to say, "That's my life," or "What are you doing different?" That that that's not similar to what I do. Importante yun yung contrast 'di ba?
Oo, 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 oo.
Yun yung yun yung siguro very important and clear na benefit or things that people should understand why this type of content should be more shared more, and basically more people should listen to kasi this is ready
Mahirap,
to
eh.
do life.
Mahirap, eh, mahirap. Not everyone's ready to talk about these things, man. Not everyone is open to listen. Sadly, in my experience, people are listening to reply instead of listen for the sake of listening. Sadly, we would like to always have our own yung pretensions. We want to reaffirm ourselves most of the time. So we shy away from real conversations. We'd rather talk about other things kasi ayaw nating makita yung siguro I could consider it or I'll just term it as failures. Yung mga little things that we have failed on. Like, yes, you're successful in your business. Yes, you're successful in your chosen profession, but sadly, you failed in life, in your family. Your children barely see you. Your wife barely looks at you anymore. Yung mga ganun. Kasi that's where I find true meaning in life. Not with the money I make. Fuck money. I can't take that. Yung pinakamasarap para sa akin, I can make my wife smile. Ngayon mamaya magso-sorry ako kasi nag-overtime ako.
Sorry sa kanya,
Magso-sorry
sa'yo.
ako. Papaano ko ipapaliwanag sa kanya na nagkukuwentuhan lang kasi kami, kaso napasarap, eh, tsaka mukhang maganda kasi yung takbo nung usapan. So, pero she's very understanding. That's why I really continuously, like, every day I can find a reason why I can say I love her. Kasi she always surprises me with the little things. And napakababaw ko kasing tao, pre. I I'm profoundly touched by little things, not the bigger things. Isa rin 'yun sa problema ko kasi I get really, really affected by little things as well. Kasi I don't look at the big things, mas madali ipaliwanag 'yan. mas madali sa'kin, para sa'kin, ipaliwanag yung mga malalaking problema kaysa sa mga maliliit na bagay. Parang tinapon mo yung balat ng candy dito sa loob ng kwarto, ay putang ina naman, ayan yung basurahan hindi mo pa maitapon diyan, tangina naman 'no. So yung mga gano'ng bagay. Pero again, uh, I am really thankful man, really appreciate it. I hope you can give us, your time again in the future. Again, I really appreciate it man. Thank you very much.
Of course,
This
pare.
is
Anytime, anytime. Thank you so much, pare.
hmm.
Magkukuwentuhan tayo naman, eh, every time, anytime magkukuwentuhan pa tayo. So thanks for the time, pare. Really enjoyed this. I hope that some people, people picked on that. Again, I hope everyone will be happy. I hope for your happiness. I hope everyone who can watch this will be happy. Happy to, happy that I'm here, and I'm happy that there's a message. There's a one thing that we're talking about is something that I'm hoping that everyone would really find it. Hirap, pero there's hope. You can
Yeah.
do it. You can find your
Yes.
happiness. Pare, cheers,
Ah,
pare. Pare.
cheers. Dali, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank
Again,
you.
as a closing, I just want to again remind you that life is about making choices. Whether it's the right or the wrong one, it's up to you. Please make that choice. Don't procrastinate. Thank you. Thank you very much.